a great gach dinner. So today we are going to look at page 59 of our Abair Liom workbook. Okay, I've got mine open here. I'm going to call out the word and you have to trace the word that I call out. On will to Reg, are you ready? Great. Balloon. Can you trace balloon? Oh, well done. Okay. On will to Reg, are you ready? I want you to trace on caca, the cake, on caca. Oh, ma an colleen agus an búcailí. I want you to trace on glina, the glass, on glina. Oh, tá na pictóí anna da húl. Now, agus cáhfuil an bruntainess. Bruntainess, the present. Bruntainess. Oh, you're very good at saying those words too. Well done. Oh, lovely anna da hula. Oh, and you can colour them afterwards. You can daithigh them afterwards. Brilliant. Agus sláinán, the slide on sláinán. Oh, excellent. Well done. And cad ella. Lewis gone, the swing. Lewis Kahn. Trace the Lewis Kahn. Oh, man, colleen agus an búcailí. Oh, you're brilliant. Agus quinel. Quinel is the candle. Well done, you knew that one already. Quinel, it's down there, quinel. Oh, yeah. Agus, oh, the last one. On carta breithla, the birthday card. On carta breithla. Oh, lovely. Now, taréis afterwards, colour the pictures. So, daithigh na pictóí. And then send it to me so I can have a look. See you soon. Slán.